Hi, I'm Miss Pozak and I'm teaching science. It's the holidays, and during the holidays, we are going to talk about cooking. So, one of my favorite parts about cooking is that you are practicing lots of really important skills. Whenever you're cooking, you are learning how to read, you're learning how to do math, you're learning how to do science, you're learning how to follow directions. And if you're cooking with your family, you're spending really important family time together. So, the other day in science, we talked about a special food that we could help our grown-ups make, and then we described why it was special. Today, we are going to talk about the recipe that we are going to use, because remember, next week you are going to make a video of you making that special food. So let's talk about a recipe. A recipe is the directions for the food that you're making. It is going to tell you the ingredients, what do you need, and it's going to tell you the instructions for how to make the thing. There are lots of different places that you can get recipes. I have this really old book from 1947 that is full of lots of different recipes, and I like to look through it and get ideas for different things that I could cook. But I'm not going to use all of these recipes because, well, for one, there's a lot of recipes involving fish and jello that I don't think sound good. But it's really great to get ideas. So maybe you have an old cookbook that you could look through and get some ideas for. Or maybe your family uses a cookbook or recipe book that they made. This is my recipe book that I made, and it just has the important recipes that I use all the time because I don't want to have to Google how to make chickpea curry every time I want to make chickpea curry. So maybe you have some recipes that are either handwritten or typed up that your family uses. Talk to a grown-up about the ingredients in the recipe for the special food that you talked about the other day. Today in science, you are going to draw a picture of the ingredients that you need for your special food. So for example, if I was going to make mashed potatoes, I would need potatoes, salt, butter, milk, a big pot, and some water. So I would draw a picture of those things. Then I'm going to take a picture of that and upload it to Google Slides. Remember, next week you are going to make that special food, so make sure that you actually follow through with this assignment because it's going to be so much fun. I'm so excited and I hope that you have a great time.